Hello everybody, so today I will show you how to answer this one. Question 8. They want to find the average. So that means we have the formula in here. That is about CS. That is the total cost divided by the numbers of the product. And now they want to put 50 gold in here. So we put number 50 gold in here. And we have the final answer. That is about 2,500. Question number 2. They want to find the marginal average. So the first thing, we have this one, that is this one. So we have S divided by S, we have 700. Now we need to find first the derivative of this one, and you got like this. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0, and now they have 50, so we put this number go in here. We have negative 36. And the last one, they want to use the result to find the estimate average cost at number 51. So in this case, we have this value in here and this value in here. So the value of the product number 51, that is about, we have this number in here. We combine this number in here. Why do we have this one? Because if we reduce another 1 unit, we have the change of the value of average in here. So that means we have this number minus this number, because we just add only 1 unit. That's why we have minus different in here. And that is about 2,464. This is the end. Thank you for watching.